Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's How To Tuesday. In today's video, I'm talking to you all about how to create a vision board that works. Let me know in the comments if you currently have a vision board and what you have on that vision board. But in today's video, I'm going to break down how you create a vision board that works and actually brings those visions to life. Do you want to know how to do that? I certainly do. So let's get started. My first top tip for you is your vision board has to have things on it that you are hoping and aiming to achieve within the next 12 months. If your vision board, and you can 100% have a vision board for things further in the future, but if you really want to create as much impact with your vision board as possible, you need to make sure that everything on that vision board you are hoping to achieve and bring into your life and welcome into your reality within the next 12 months. The next top tip I have for you is you need to be really realistic with your photos. Make your photos personal to you. So edit them online so that they have your branding, your name. So if you want to earn 20 grand in a month, $20,000, £20,000, make sure that you put on there, in my bank account is, and then put the 20,000 and the month. Edit the photos that you find on Google or Pinterest so they're personal to you, and also make sure that they are realistic. And as much as possible, I try not to have other people in my photos because I really want to make sure that it's me that's creating that reality. So whether you do have other people in the photos, put your face on top of their face. Just make sure your photos are as realistic and personal as possible to your visions and your dreams. Look at your vision board every single day. So my vision board is in my office, on the windowsill, behind where I sit. When I'm doing client calls, when I'm creating content, I see my vision board. And actually the weirdest thing has happened. When I say that, I don't know why I say that because of course I know it would happen, but I put things on my vision board that sometimes I don't always know why or how, but I put a picture of Sydney Harbour Bridge. Now George and Erin live in Melbourne and we are going there for Christmas this year, which I can't wait for some winter sun, and they don't live in Sydney, but for some reason I put that on my vision board. And a few weeks ago I was contacted by somebody that I connected with at another event, and he wants me to come and speak at his event in Sydney. And I said to Luke, oh my gosh, I can't believe it, maybe that's what this is, like me going to Sydney for this event. So when you put things on your vision board, you don't always have to know the hows or the whys, but what you do need to do is look at it every single day and get excited by what is on there. The next thing, make sure you check in with yourself. Sometimes you set yourself visions and they change, they adapt, they grow, or sometimes you become distant from what you put on there in January by July. So constantly change and edit your vision board so that it really excites you. So make sure you're constantly checking in with yourself. Does it still excite you? Is it still something that you want to create and work towards or not? And if it's not, that's okay, take it off. And if it is and you've achieved it, take it off and put it in your pile of achieved visions. I do that. So I have a pile of achieved visions from 2 years ago of everything that's happened from my vision board. So make sure you check in with yourself as often as possible about whether these visions still light you up inside. The final tip, listen to your intuition. And this links back to what I was saying a minute ago. You don't always have to know how it's going to happen. It doesn't always have to seem super realistic right now, but if you feel it and you want it and it's just something that you are so passionate about and you just feel it in your bones, put it on your vision board. Listen to your intuition. Follow your gut instinct because the rest will happen. If you follow these 5 tips and you make sure that you are checking in with yourself and listening to that intuition, your visions will become your reality because it's happened for me and I know it works. I really hope that what's on your vision board comes into your life. Genuinely lovely, I really do. And when it does, I would love for you to let me know. In the comments below, I want to find out what's on your vision board right now. Speak it into existence, share it with the world, make it your new reality. And I can't wait to see you on another episode of the Samantha Hearne YouTube channel.